Hey guys, Brian with Gemlux here. We're over at the Front Runner booth at Fort Lauderdale 2022. We're super excited to announce our new Gulfstream Outriggers. What you'll notice about these things is that they are all carbon fiber as opposed to the traditional aluminum that's used on a lot of sportfish boats and gap tower boats like this. By using carbon fiber, we're allowed to go with no spreaders, which as you know is a big maintenance nightmare. This eliminates all that maintenance. Literally just wash these with soap and water just like you do your boat. A couple other things that you'll notice is a collapsible layout arm. It's actually got a spring assist built into it. So when you retrieve the outrigger and you lay the outrigger out, it's actually very easy to do. Again, this is inherent to carbon fiber. You can build collapsible poles that work very well like that. And when you want to retrieve it, you pop it loose and it's literally that easy to pull in because of that spring assist. So a few more features that you'll notice when you look at these that you may not be able to tell just with the naked eye is that all of the hardware on these things are built so that they won't wear. Traditional sportfish and layout outriggers have an inherent design that just creates a lot of wear and tear on the aluminum parts. We designed around that, so that's one of our patent pending features. The other thing that you'll notice is you can internally or externally rig these, which is really cool for the kite fishing guys that are, spinning the boat around and chasing down sailfish and whatnot. So when you order these will come with the hardware to either internally or externally rig them just by changing one part. It's very simple. So again, this is our Gulfstream Outriggers, all carbon fiber, fit on sportfish boats, center consoles with gap towers. We also have a hydraulic version in the works that you'll see if you're able to visit the Viking booth. It's on the 46 billfish. So we thank you guys. Follow us on social media. Pay attention to our website for when these are available. We're hoping sometime early next year that you'll be able to purchase these through your builder or even aftermarket.